Once it pop up live and she'll let you know.
Mr. Williams, Michael Williams, you can activate your camera, please.
Trying to activate it. I don't know how to do all this technology stuff.
You had it activated at first when you signed on. And he's gone. We're gonna have to wait a moment.
Okay.
Okay. You can still do the opening. We're still gonna do the opening.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah.
Good morning. The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no eating, no drinking, no talking, no gum chewing, no sleeping or laying down, no smoking, no driving or riding in a moving vehicle. Please keep your devices on mute until you are addressed by staff. Also, keep your devices on a level surface so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Thank you so much. All right. Attorney Wyrick, your client has come back on. So we're good to go. All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Michael Williams. This is U ticket 563-57220. One count of violation. Uh-oh, we lost your attorney. Hold on.
Your Honor.
No problem. Okay. One count of violation of an
I'm sorry. I literally just got 2 calls and I'm on my phone and it disrupts.
I know you were waiting all this wonderful time for your client. That's why you were here on time.
And then if we go on the record, I get all these phone calls.
It's all right. All right. I'm gonna restart that. Now calling the matters of the people versus Michael Williams. This is U ticket 563-57220. One count of violation of the narcotics code. Also calling ticket number P1146558. One count open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. This is a date and time set for a pretrial in this matter. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please the sign up court, Jermaine Wyrick. My P number is 54352 on behalf of Mr. Williams, who waives his constitutional right to be present there in person and consents to this matter being heard via Zoom, Your Honor.
Thank you. And Mr. Williams, can you state your name for the record, please? Mr. Williams, are you doing a lot of stuff right now? Are you paying attention to court? This is court.
Oh no, I'm just listening to y'all.
Okay. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Williams ill.
Is that your government name? The name that is on the birth certificate, sir?
No, I'm Williams ill. I told you wanted me to bring a photo ID, but they call me Michael Williams. I don't know why they calling me that at least, but my real name. But I'm Williams ill. I'm not Michael Williams. I'm the guy they talking about. Like they keep calling me Michael Williams, but I'm Williams ill. That's my national name. And I don't, y'all can call me what y'all want to call me, but I'm Williams ill.
So you have to sit still for this court proceeding, okay? I know that you're not physically in the courthouse, but you have to be able to be still and sit still.
Okay. Sit down right quick.
Thank you, sir. All right, Attorney Wyrick, this is the date and time set for a pretrial in this matter. How are we proceeding?
We're proceeding to a jury trial, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, Mr. Michael Williams or Williams ill, can you please raise your right hand?
Raise my right hand.
Yes.
Like that, sir.
Oh,
Like
what I'm doing? What I'm doing?
Swearing to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Oh, okay. Right hand. All right.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, sir?
Yes, Your
You can put your hand down. Sir, did you have an opportunity to speak with your attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes. Yeah.
And he's informing me that you want to have a jury trial. That's a trial before 6 members of the community of the city of Detroit, where they will listen to the facts of the case and based on the law, make a decision. That's how you want to proceed, sir.
Yes, that's how. Yeah, that's what he's saying. I mean, yeah. I want to dismiss. I want to throw out.
Right. But your attorney has explained, sir, why are you doing so much movement? It's making me really, it's hard to focus when you're doing a lot of movement. You just got to be still. It's not going to be a long hearing, but you got to be still. Okay. Your attorney has, now you have the absolute right to have a trial. You can plead, you can have a bench trial. So it's, your attorney has advised you though, of why this matter isn't going to be thrown out right at this second, correct?
No, he haven't talked to me about that yet. I mean, we ain't talking about the case being thrown out. I haven't heard from him in a month. I don't know when the last time I heard from my lawyer.
Okay.
I mean,
But you've had an opportunity to speak with him before, correct?
yeah.
Okay. All right. So we're going to set this matter for a jury trial on the date of September. Look in your calendar and make sure this works, Attorney Wyrick. September the 13th. We do jury selections in the afternoon at 1:30. Just so you know, and that will be in courtroom 220 in 36th District Court. Now, we're going to have a pre-trial though on this matter. And the 13th, let me see what date that is. September 13th is a Tuesday. On September the 6th, are you available though to have a pretrial? I want to have a pretrial a week before just to make sure that we're still moving forward, make sure we have everything in place, all jury instructions and everything. Are you available that morning of the?
Yeah.
Okay, so please put that down. We'll do a 9 a.m. final pretrial just to make sure we're set for the jury trial. And we will pick all the jurors on that afternoon of the 13th, and we'll continue on that following day in my courtroom in that afternoon. It shouldn't take longer than a half a day for us to, if we're able to start the jury trial on that day, we will. If not, we'll continue with that very next day in the afternoon, and we should be able to finish it by that point in time. I'm going to set the U ticket 563572-20. That's the violation of the narcotics code. I'm going to set that one to go first.
Okay.
And I don't know how many officers are with the other one. Okay, we'll set this one to go first, and then seeing where we're at with the other ticket. I would like to, I'm debating whether we can set them both at, no, because we're going to need 2 separate juries. So we'll just set this one first, and then on that date and time, we'll be able to set the other one as well, okay?
Okay.
All right. Do you have anything further at this point in time, attorney?
No, Your Honor. Thank you very much, Judge Taylor.
All right. All right. What about you, sir? You have anything else at this point in time?
No, Your Honor.
All right. So bond is going to continue. We'll see everybody back on September the 6th via Zoom. That final pretrial is going to be via Zoom. The trial will be in person, physically in person at 36th District Court, but the final pretrial will be over Zoom. So that way we can handle that and make sure we're moving forward. Okay.
Okay.
If
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. You're welcome. This concludes this hearing. Have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, I think I'm ready on these, Judge.
Okay, fantastic. I'm going to get everybody out.
Okay.
All right, let me get everybody out. Here we go. All right. Everyone, please keep yourself muted until I call your case, okay? Mr. Walton, I'm going to call your matter first, okay? Darius Walton, you can unmute yourself, sir.
Okay.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Darius Walton. This is case number SP 1124725. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Also calling case number SP 1124761. Leave scene of accident property damage. Count 2 of that same ticket, failed to provide info regarding accident. Count 3 of that same ticket is failed to report accident. Also calling case number SP 9451841. 1 count, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2 of that same ticket is no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling case number 17269925. Count 1, reckless driving. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Darius Walton, Judge. He's asking to set his matters for a bench trial.
Is that correct, Mr. Walton?
Yes.
All right, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Walton, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And she's informing me that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of the facts. Is that how you want to proceed, sir?
Yes.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm going to set these matters for a bench trial on the date of August the 2nd. August the 2nd of this year, 2022. I'm going to set it at 9 a.m. Okay, it's going to be via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in today, you're going to zoom in on that date of August the 2nd of 2022. Sir, I'm going to continue your bond as it is. I know you posted some bonds. I'm going to continue them as they are, and they will remain posted, and you'll be out. And I'm going to make sure that notices are sent out. All right, you have any questions, sir?
No, miss.
All right, if there's nothing further, then that concludes this hearing. We'll see you back here on August the 2nd, 2022 via Zoom, the same way you came in today, same Zoom number, okay, sir?
Yes, miss.
All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Have a good day, Mr. Walton.
Okay, you too.
I will, thank you. Mr. Wiley?
Good morning, Mr. Jill.
Good morning. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Mohammed Wali. This is ticket number P1235224. 1 count of disorderly conduct. This is the date and time set for a review in this matter. Appearances for the record, please, starting with counsel.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Mr. Wiley.
And Mr. Wali, can you state your name for the record, please?
I can't hear. Excuse me.
I said, can you say your name, please, sir?
Mohammed Wali.
Okay. Mr. Wali, this is the date and time for a review. You were to have presented to me that you did the HIV/STI testing. Do you have a copy of that to show to the court today?
Yes, I do.
Okay, can I see it, please? Just zoom in at the top a little bit with the camera. Let me pinpoint you so I can see it. Okay. All right, sir. With that being, you can move it off now. I don't want everybody having all your business. All right. With that being said, sir, you are at this point in time, the court has found that you have completed all of the tasks required, and I will close this matter out under disorderly conduct. Okay, Mr. Wali?
Okay, Mrs. Taylor.
Okay. If there's nothing further, you're all set. Thank you so much.
Okay, like my case is dismissed or?
It's closed. So you
Is it
pled
closed?
to something less Yes, sir. So you're all set. You completed all the other tasks you were asked to do. So now it's closed. So you don't have to come back to court anymore, okay?
Okay, Mrs. Tyler, thank you very much.
You're very welcome. You have a good day, okay?
You too. Thanks.
All right. Bye-bye. All right. Ms. Clarice Wilson?
It's Sharice.
Sorry. Okay, Sharice, I apologize. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Sharice Wilson. This is U ticket 597-35221. One count of firearm violation. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Sharice Wilson. Judge, this was set for trial today. I don't think that the officer checked in.
Okay. And Ms. Wilson, can you state your name for the record, please?
Sharice Wilson.
All right, thank you. The time is now 10:10. This matter was scheduled for a bench trial at 9 a.m. No officer has appeared on this matter, so the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Ma'am, what that means is that they can refile this if they want to, but as of today, you're all set, okay?
I have one question.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I have my firearm back?
So how this works, and we've been trying to figure it out. So I'm going to put that it was dismissed today. There may be an order that you need from the court. If you can, Ms. Wilson, call the courtroom after we finish this hearing. I'm going to give you the number and leave your contact information so that I can make sure we can present you with the proper documents so that you can get your firearm released, okay?
Okay.
The phone number is 313-965. 2293. Okay. And just leave your contact information so we can reach out to you to be able to provide you with the documents you need. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Okay, ma'am.
You too, thank you.
All right. Bye-bye. Miss Wright. You know how to unmute yourself, ma'am? You got somebody helping you? Tell them that you need to be unmuted, ma'am. There you go. Can you hear me, Miss Wright?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, I can. Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Eddie Wright. This is ticket number P1066595. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Eddie Wright.
All right. And Ms. Wright, can you state your name for the record, please?
Eddie Jane Wright.
All right. This is the date and time set for a trial in this matter. How are we proceeding?
Well, Judge, I'm not sure what the status of the officer is on this particular case.
I was informed by the court officer that the officer did call and will not be appearing today for court. So do you have a motion?
Judge, based upon that, I would make a motion that the matters be dismissed.
All right. Seeing that no officer has appeared for court matter today, the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice for lack of an officer being present. Okay, Ms. Wright, same thing to you. They can refile this if they would like to, but as of today, you're all set. Okay, ma'am?
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day, okay?
All right, you too.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ms. Williams?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Can you activate your camera for me, please?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Okay. All right, Ms. Wright, let me get you out of here. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Chantel Williams. This is ticket number P1187762. Count 1, disregard traffic control device. Count 2, fail to signal. Count 3, violation of the basic speed law, drove in an unsafe manner. Also calling ticket number P118737, 1 count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, driver's license expired. Also calling ticket number P1199479, count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, driver's license expired. Ticket number P11299769, 1 count failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Ticket number P1129752, count 1, registration and or plate violation. Count 2, no valid registration certificate. Count 3, no proof of insurance. These matters are set today on the docket for a, oh, they're not on the docket for today. I'll say it
Judge, they pulled those tickets because she had other, okay, you know, I'm not to tell you.
Okay. No, you can tell me. It's okay. For a show cause today.
Okay. All right.
All right.
So, Judge, she wants to waive her rights and plead responsible on 2 civil infractions and guilty on that 1 misdemeanor.
Okay. Attorney Beard, state your name for the record first, though, please.
Oh, I'm sorry. Good morning, Melita Beard on behalf of Chantel Williams. Judge, she wants to waive her rights and plead guilty on that 1 misdemeanor and responsible on the 2 civil infractions.
Okay. And Ms. Williams, can you state your name for the record, please?
Chantel Marie Williams.
And ma'am, is that true? You want to plead guilty to one count and then plead responsible to the other 2 counts? Is that right, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. If so, can you please raise your right hand for me?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Do you swear or affirm the other one? Do you swear or affirm? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. Take a deep breath. You're good. No worries. Did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of April the 27th of 2021. At that time, were you driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of Custard and Oakland Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
And were you stopped by police officers in that area, ma'am?
Yes.
And was the car unregistered or untitled at the time?
Well, I had a title, but I didn't have it wasn't registered. But I did have a title.
Okay, but you didn't register with the Secretary of State's office like you were supposed to, ma'am?
You're right.
Okay. All right. And then reading from the ticket to establish a factual basis that on that same date, time, and location in the city of Detroit, and that same Chevy vehicle that she did, let's see, she's playing account 1. It says disregard a traffic control device as well as violation of the basic speed law, drove in an unsafe manner. Satisfied, Attorney Barrett?
Yes.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea of guilty on count 1 of ticket P1187347 as charged. Dismiss count 2 of that ticket. On the ticket P1187762, count 1 will be amended to blockading. Count 3 of that same ticket will be amended to limited access 60 in a 55-mile-per-hour zone. Ticket number P1129762, count 2 will be dismissed. P1129769 will be dismissed. 99479, counts 1, 2, and 3 will be dismissed, as well as ticket P112975, counts 1, 2, and 3 will be dismissed. Ma'am, civil infractions, their fines are due within 14 days of their you taking the plea. For blockading, that's $175. For the speeding, that's $125. So that's a total of $300. Is 14 days going to be enough time for you to pay all that, ma'am?
Well, I'm on a fixed income.
Okay.
I get Social Security, so around the first, I know for sure I could pay it. Yeah, I'm praying the first is in 14 days.
Ms. Williams, how about this? How about I give you 2 months? That way you can pay half one time and half the next time. Okay.
Thank you, Honor. Thank you.
You're
Honor.
welcome. I'm going to have it due no later than May the 16th, 2022. Okay. So that gives you 60 days. So that gives you 2 cycles, because I know how it is to be on a fixed income. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
On the remaining ticket, I'm going to waive the cost and fines on that one, only because you may have something called reinstatement fees, and I'm not going to waive the cost or fines on any of those. You're going to have to pay those. Okay, ma'am?
Okay.
Okay. All right. But we'll give you 2 months to be able to pay those costs and fines on those 2. I'll waive the other cost and fine on the other ticket. So we'll put that one at $0, and then you can work on paying for those 2. And hopefully that gives you enough time to be able to kind of spread that payment out. Okay, ma'am?
Okay, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
You're so welcome. Okay, I see you. Don't just take a deep breath. You're good. And the rest of the tickets have been dismissed. I know it can be a lot though. See, you can't run from it though, because we'll find you and then it's all gonna come at once.
Right.
Right?
All right, Your Honor. Thank you.
You are very welcome. Okay, if there's nothing further, that does conclude this hearing. And ma'am, get that in. If you have some struggles with it, do call our court. We may be able to give you a little bit more time, but really try to get it finished by May 16th. Okay.
Okay, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Okay, ma'am.
So.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.
All right. Okay, you can take us off YouTube Live now. I think that was everybody.
I think so too.
It's someone who checked in for a moment, but
They left.
they left.
Yeah, I had to call the Warren because he wasn't on the docket. So I'm speaking to him now.
Okay, I didn't think he was.